hello everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. So how are you doing? So guys, in this video you will be seeing some of the best outfits which I picked up for myself from my favorite brand which is India. And honestly guys, for all my ethnic needs जैसे कि मैं daily wear के लिए या special occasions के लिए, be it anything, I always trust this brand because when it comes to quality, their fabrics, their styles, designs is like the best in the market. On this website, you will see such amazing collection. चाहे आपको कुर्ता सेट चाहिए, अनारकली, straight fit, or if you're looking for some really amazing sarees या लहंगा चाहिए from light to very heavy outfits, so you will see the entire collection on their website. So don't forget to check it out. Without much delay, guys, let's see the collection which I have picked up for this particular video, and honestly, I am loving each one of them. So the first one is my personal favorite, guys. This is a three-piece kurta set, and let me show you the kurta first. As you can see, it is like very nicely embroidered right from the neck till the bottom of the kurta. All this is like beautifully done embroidery in different colors. The material of this is Chanderi silk, which is like so premium. मतलब पहनने के बाद इसका जो look आया, it is seriously fabulous. It is actually straight fit kurta set, and this kind of fit actually suits all body types, so I definitely recommend this. It has this kind of sleeves, and you can see the embroidery is also on the sleeves. So बहुत ही सुंदर है guys. It is very nicely done, and I think this will suit any age group, चाहे आप teenager हो या आपकी ज़्यादा age group हो, because you will find all kinds of sizes in this. So small से लेके big sizes भी आपको इस वाले कुर्ता सेट में मिलेंगे. Comes with this kind of bottom. आगे आपको इस तरह से straight belt मिलती है, and on the back side you will see this kind of elastic waistband on it. So it is very comfortable on the stomach. The fit of is this like very comfortable one, and again the fabric is Chanderi silk, जो कि वैसा ही कुर्ते का आया है. तो fabric is like definitely very premium, and I simply love the dupatta. Just see the colors on it. So if you're someone who loves wearing colors like me, so definitely I will highly recommend this. So just see, the dupatta is very beautiful. The length and the breadth of the dupatta is very nice, and you will see this kind of tassels on two sides of the dupatta. So overall look of the dupatta of the whole kurta set is very interesting, and I think it is going on at a very good discount. So next आता है again एक three-piece kurta set, and especially for special occasion or any festive wear, this is the one you should definitely check out. Let me show you the kurta first. So it has this kind of very beautiful embroidery, zari ki embroidery, gold work, and some really interesting prints and colors on it. So I honestly love the whole look of it. Again, the fabric is very premium. This is viscose material and easily can be worn in summers. Like it is like it will be very comfortable and breathable fabric. Just look at the embroidery on the sleeves, very nicely stitched, and again you will find a lot of sizes in this kurta set as well. So again this is comes in this kind of straight fit, comes with this kind of bottom. आगे आपको straight belt मिलती है, and on the back side you will see this kind of elastic waistband. So it is very comfortable. इस तरह से straight fit look आता है इसका, and summers में ऐसे ही fit सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. On the bottom of the pants you will see again this kind of embroidery with zari work, some interesting fabric threads going on, and also some sequins on it. So honestly, again a very interesting piece. And just see the dupatta, beautiful print, फ्लोरल प्रिंट वैसे भी आजकल काफी ज्यादा ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं, एंड इसका भी लेंथ ब्रेथ इज लाइक वेरी नाइस. ऑन द फोर साइड्स ऑफ द दुपट्टा you will again see the same kind of embroidery which is very heavy. सो ओवरऑल पहना हुआ ये भी थ्री पीस कुर्ता सेट बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा डेली वेयर बेसिस के लिए. आई जस्ट लव वेयरिंग दी एथनिक कॉर्ड सेट्स, एंड आजकल बहुत ज्यादा ट्रेंड कर रहे हैं, एंड ये इंडिया ब्रांड पे मुझे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग एक पीस मिला. जस्ट लुक एट दिस काइंड ऑफ बटन्स ऑन इट, दी वुडन बीड्स एंड दी शेल्स. सीरियसली मुझे इसका ये वाला पर्टिकुलर लुक बहुत पसंद आया, एंड अगेन द फैब्रिक इज लाइक कॉटन बेस्ड ओनली. सो समर्स के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा इन दिस काइंड ऑफ अम्बी लुक, जो कि अगेन बहुत ही स्मार्ट लुक देता है, एंड इट कम्स विद दिस काइंड ऑफ फुल स्लीव्स. सो आई थिंक इसका जो फैब्रिक है दिस इज मोर ऑन कॉटन बेस, जो कि समर्स लिए अगेन बहुत ही स्मार्ट लगेगा. एंड थोड़ा सा ये ए लाइन फिट में है, तो आजकल ए लाइन फिट्स आर वेरी मच इन फैशन, एंड आई टोटली पहनने के बाद द लुक ऑफ इट इज लाइक वेरी नाइस. द बॉटम्स आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. जस्ट लुक एट दिस, अगेन द सेम काइंड ऑफ अम्बी प्रिंट ऑन इट, एंड इलास्टिक वेस्ट बैंड के साथ आता है. एंड इसके साथ जो नीचे आता है, आई थिंक दिस इज कॉल्ड लाइक अ पठानी काइंड ऑफ लुक, बिकॉज बॉटम इज लाइक स्टिच in this kind of stitching. So I totally love this one, and again guys, for everyday basis I will highly recommend it. So if you love to accessorize guys, this is the outfit you will absolutely love. Although it is like plain black in color, and this is like comes with a high neck and some kind of wooden buttons on it, but the sleeves, the work on the sleeves and the bottom are very nice. So इस तरह का lace work हो रखा है, and हालांकि straight है, but as you can see I've accessorized it very well with the earrings, the necklace, long necklace, and this is looking so amazing. So इसका भी fit बहुत interesting है, कुछ इस तरह से ए लाइन फिट है जो कि पहनने में बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है. मटेरियल अगेन इज लाइक मोर ऑफ कॉटन बेस्ड मटेरियल, एंड इसका बॉटम कुछ इस तरह से रहेगा इलास्टिक वेस्ट बैंड के साथ. स्ट्रेट फिट पैंट्स रहेंगे इसमें, एंड आगे आपको इसमें स्लिट एंड कुछ इस तरह से लेस का वर्क मिल जाएगा. सो पहनने में दिस इज लुकिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. ऑफिस, कॉलेज, एनीवेयर यू कैन वेयर this, and honestly very comfortable on the daily basis. Hope you like the collection. You can check out the rest of the collection on their website. So thank you so much for joining in. Till then, take care and bye bye.